Someday in the future, smartphones may become a thing of the past. Imagine every smartphone function integrated into what you wear. Today, we're introducing Xiaomi's first pair of smart eyewear. Calling, viewing, navigating, camera, all integrated in a pair of glasses. Xiaomi Smart Glasses use optical waveguide technology for lens display capabilities. At its core is a 0.13-inch micro-LED display. Smaller than a grain of rice, light output is as high as 2 million nits. Through reflection and diffusion of the optical waveguide lens, a much larger display is offered to the eye. View notification, phone calls, HUD navigation.
Xiaolai 同学, translate the menu.
Okay, translating the menu.
And take photos. It was said, any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Xiaomi Smart Glasses uses an engineering mindset to create a future viewpoint.
Remember how bulky and uncomfortable AR glasses are? Not anymore. Introducing Alpha Glass, the world's first stylish AR glasses for everyday life. Your loyal key to limitless reality just in front of your eyes. You can use heads-up display navigation to safely reach your destination. Comfortable and stylish, Alpha Glass is your power tool wherever you go. Check your health data without disturbing your activity. Alpha Glass will save you time on busy days and act as an effective assistant anytime, anywhere. Its minimal design with no external elements makes Alpha Glass a perfect addition to any outfit. Take a photo instantly with just one tap on the frame and access it immediately on your smartphone. Alpha Glass Developer version is equipped with 5-megapixel camera, quad-core processor, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, battery, microphone, sensors, AR vision system. Alpha Glass Integrated Optical System is the smallest AR system to date, which consists of a virtual screen composed of micro OLED, a transmitter of optical signals, and a splitter that transforms its reflection to user's eye. Now you can stay connected on social media and instant messages totally hands-free. Alpha Glass, your fashionable key to a greater reality.